Finally, I want to thank you for seeing us through the night and making it possible for us to be strong and healthy to be here.
We are here today to unveil the guidelines and timetable of activities for the 2024 local government election. I humbly appeal to all politicians aspiring to contest for positions to do so in a civil and disciplined manner. You are expected to play by the rules. The guidelines are set for the good of all. They are not intended or skewed against any party or individual. We all have a collective responsibility to consolidate our nascent democratic experience, to respect all stakeholders, to act with professionalism, good ethics, and civility before, during, and after the election. On this note, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I will now proceed to formally unveil that in exercise of the power conferred on the River State Independent Electoral Commission by Section 5 of the River State Independent Electoral Commission Law, number 2 of 2018, and all other powers invested in that behalf, to provide guidelines to political parties, stipulating the rules and procedure for ordinary campaigns for the 2024 local government elections and any runoffs, re-runs, and by-elections that can arise that the Commission hereby makes the following rules and guidelines. 1. Local government council elections. There shall be local government council elections on Saturday, the 5th of October 2024, in all the 23 local government areas listed in column 2 of the table and first statement of this guideline, in which A, one councillor shall be elected in each ward. 2, a chairman and vice chairman shall be elected for each of the local government